right? And do a little churning. So as if you're stirring a pot with your spine, inhaling forward, exhaling around and back. So imagine your tailbone in the bowl of your pelvis, and your lower spine is stirring up the bowl of your pelvis. And then go the other way. And then come to center, arch your heart forward and up, and then curl and round your belly back, tailbone forward. Inhale, round and curve your chest forward and up. Exhale, and lower spine rounds, tailbone forward, chin maybe comes towards chest a little, a few times. And then come to neutral, please. Stretch out your legs, and you can get your cushions, your pillows, whatever is available, and either put them between your legs or on top of your legs, right? Whichever feels most appropriate for you. And then you have choices here. You might be letting your head go all the way forward, rounding forward, or you might keep your head more upright and have your hands under your jaw, like supporting your chin. And you can use the heel of your hands once you're in this position. Heel of your hands can come into your jaw, and you can actually do a little rubbing around your jaw. And only if that feels helpful, feels wonderful for you. You can also use your thumb, draw little circles underneath your jaw, underneath your ears, just behind your jaw. And let your head start to feel heavier. Notice if you're holding the weight of the world on your shoulders, and if you could let it drop just a little more. So as you're in this pose for a while, you may find that you can breathe forward a little more. You can find a little more space to release. It's not about how far forward you are, but how much you feel held by the earth. Starting to notice your breath in the forward fold. So you might be choosing to breathe towards your kidneys in your lower back. Feel like you're puffing up or fluffing up the space of your lower back. You might be choosing to expand your side ribs, chest, or belly. So there isn't any right or wrong. There's just figuring out what feels most useful and what the different ways of breathing, what effect they have, either physically or emotionally. So what happens if you imagine that your breath is starting in the soles of your feet? And as you inhale, your awareness is moving up the backs of your legs. And as you exhale, you can imagine your breath cascading along your spine and out the crown of your head. Now, your breath doesn't actually take that path, but what if you imagine that happening? And let's take one more breath like this. Maybe a sigh out. Let your hands land. Press your hands down to inhale, raising yourself up.